Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new sticker organization. I have a lot of stickers that I am destashing, stickers that no longer match my planner style. So if you guys are interested, I still have some sticker bundles available on my Etsy shop, which I'll have linked below, or you can just also search Chaotic Critic on Etsy. And also, I have some deluxe ones. So the regular sticker bundles are $10 and the deluxe ones are going to come with this mini album, and I will be filling the sticker book with stickers from my stash, and you can request the kind of stickers that you would like. So that's that, and I also have some other stuff that I have newly listed as well. I have a teacher happy planner cover with notes pages and a folder, as well as a happy planner budget cover. I also have a scrapbook paper bundle. All of my washi bundles have sold out. Thank you for all of you that purchased that. But I also do have a scrapbook paper bundle that is available, and you can pick out the kinds of paper that you would like, and I will cut it down to size, and that's that. So again, check out my Etsy. I'll have it linked in the description box, and again, you can search Chaotic Critic on Etsy for all of that good stuff to see what's there, to see what I'm adding as I'm still continuing to go through my stash. As for how I am currently storing my stickers, I have a lot of stickers that I have purchased. I am also a strong believer in what I bring in and letting things go. So as my style has changed, the color palette is what's really changed and the kind of stickers that I want to use. So in my fun planner, I am using actual kits, which has been a lot of fun. So this one in particular is from Wild and Wicked Design. So that's why I'm buying kits. But other than that, it's a lot of functional stickers still, which I can use in both my journal and in my fun planner. I also recently purchased this from Michaels. It was 15 bucks. This is their photo box organizer, and I plan on putting stickers in here as well as die cuts because I've completely revamped my planner cart. It's just gone through a lot of changes. I still have some sticker books, like Happy Planner sticker books left over, that I'm still using. Some of those, the ones that I really like. But other than that, I don't plan on purchasing any other like large sticker books because I really don't use them all. And that brings me to where my sticker situation is now. So while I have those sticker books in a basket, I also have a lot that I'm ordering from Etsy. And then I also have these two sticker albums. So both of these are from Michaels. This is from the Capital Chic line, and this is from Once More with Love. So with this one, I have all of my Capital Chic stickers, and I have all of black owned shop owners inside of here. So this is Simply Me Kish, and then this is Fabulously Creative, Indian Ivy Ink, which is her collection from Michaels. This is the jewel box, and I have so many more pages. And then I just put the leftovers back here because this one does come with 3 pockets. While I love this one, it's very big. This one is like the perfect size for on the go, but this one I just have some stickers that are miscellaneous, like icons and stuff from other shops that I've purchased from. So a lot of script stuff. This one is from Two Little Bees. These were some Happy Planner stickers that I had that I wanted to keep. And then when I have stickers like this, like these kits, this one is from Planner Society. So I'm going to be taking this and putting it inside of here, and then as I use it, whatever comes off, I can, you know, replace it with new stickers. That's one of the things that I love about these reusable albums. So for those wondering how to use this, here's a little quick tutorial. You take your stickers off the page and you place them down in whatever order you want. Sometimes I'm a stickler about how straight I want the stickers, but sometimes I don't really care. Now, to peel it up, all you have to do is go like that, and it's still sticky. And the cool thing about it is that if you don't want to use it and you didn't stick it to a page yet, you can lift it up and then stick it back down. Now, what I don't do are the super small stickers. So something like this I would add to that pocket in my Capital Chic Designs one, and then just reach for it when I want it. But I'm not sitting here and taking every little tiny circle. As well as these numbers, like these tiny phrases, this is kind of debatable, but this is more likely for me to put on the page than these numbers. The numbers are a definite no. I also try to organize them by what makes sense. So here I have full boxes. I try to put all the icons together. So as you can see with the page like this, the full box, I kind of laid this out how it was on the sampler though. But like with this one, I put the check boxes together and the headers together. So that is how I organize it. I group together the like icons and then the like shapes and sizes. So this one has the decorative ones, and then on the back of here I would put the half boxes. I don't have that many of those anyway. And what else? Here's another one. And you can put them in any way, shape, or form that you want. You can put them going across, going down. That's all about personal preference. I've used a lot of this kit, which is very surprising. I do have some headers left. I was using this as a week in my journal, and I had literally, clearly with what I have left over, I stopped planning after Wednesday, but that's just how my week went. And then like larger strips like these here, I will put on this page as well. I will say that when putting them back on the actual sticker sheet where they came from, it can be hard because they don't always stick. So this I found to be the most effective for me. I also had them on the Discbound, like the little binders, but those just don't work for me anymore. I never found myself reaching for them, so I am just not using that system anymore. And with this, I can customize what goes on the page, and this is also really great for pre-planning if you have a particular sticker kit that you want to use and you want to pull in other stickers from other brands and sticker books and whatnot. This is a great way to use that as well. So that is how I am using this. That is a little peek into how I am currently organizing my stickers. So I'm using this album as well as this. My sticker books are that I still have left over. I say left over because I've destashed a lot of my Happy Planner sticker books because I just don't use them like that. So I would recommend going through and seeing what it is that you have and using these to use those stickers that you want to use first and put them in here, and then you can go back in. So it's kind of like rediscovering what's in your stash and using this. So these are new stickers that I have, but if you have stickers that you haven't used and you're looking for another way to store them, this is a great option. So I really do like these. I am looking on Etsy to see what other options there are. I think that Freckled Sticker Co. has an option. It's a little bit larger than this. I just really love this, and I'll be honest, it is very therapeutic in laying out my stickers and really seeing what I have, and it's easier for me to flip through this than it is for the Discbound sticker books, because I'm able to customize this more than I was with the previous system that I was using. So highly recommend. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know down in the comments section how you store your stickers, and feel free to leave any other questions or suggestions you have there as well. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to products featured as well as related videos. I'll also have the link to my Etsy shop as well as the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you guys are not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.